Cashew Omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cashew recipes and one of the most delicious of the nuts recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the black pepper recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes. We're going to make black pepper cashew omelette. We have taken around 15 to 20 grams of chopped cashew. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs. Into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the nuts. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Add the cashew to the egg mixture. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated and let it spread in the pan. Now pour in the egg mixture. Into the pan and let it fry. Let the mixture fry. Wait for the mixture to dry out from the surface. Now turn it over and let it dry. Let it fry thoroughly. The black pepper cashew omelette is ready. Again, we're taking off the flame and serve. This is the final black pepper cashew omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the nuts recipes and one of the most delicious of the cashew recipes and one of the most different of the pepper recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.